individuals, Sanatana, eternally. That is explained. Mamaimamsa Jiva, Jiva is Sanatana. Eternally we are individuals. Nitya Nityanam, Chetana Chetananam. The Supreme Lord is the Supreme Chetana, conscious. Just like we are consulting dictionary, Supreme Being. Therefore His consciousness is also supreme. As we are living being, not supreme, subordinate. Similarly, God is also being, but the supreme being. That is it. Very simple thing. You cannot say that I am supreme. That this rascal says that I am God. How you can be God? Are you supreme? As soon as we ask this question, are you supreme? No. Then how will you become God? The supreme means, that is also, we consult with this, supreme means the highest authority. So, is any one of us the highest authority? No. Nobody is highest authority. Everyone is under the grip of materialism. How you can be highest authority? But they imagine, yes, I am highest authority, I meditate, I am the highest authority, I am moving the sun, I am moving the this, I am simply rascal. This is their meditation.